Hello friends, hopefully you are fine. Today I got a new earning website where you can earn USDT very easily and freely. Now you can see withdraw proof of this money earning platform, payments payment proof of this earning platform. You can check each and everything. Now we have many options to earn from this website. First one is faucet, then short links and PTC dice offer was achievements and level system ranking. All these things you can get more and more. You can earn up to 100 USDT from this website in just 1 week. If you work here sincerely, you can earn more and more very easily. Now how can you reach here? I will provide you link in the description. You just need to click on the link and you will reach here without wasting any time. You just need to click on register option right now and you can see here you have to put your email, then username, then put password to precise and fill up the captcha. I am human and click on register. Now you can register here very easily and quickly. Now I am going to log in and I will teach you everything about this earning platform. Now if you want to get this type of earning video in future, you just need to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to notify yourself about my latest upcoming video. Now I am going to log in and I will teach you everything about this earning platform. Now once you reach inside the website, you can see how much balance I have in my account right now. Here you can see we have many options over here to get more and more earning from this website. You can claim daily bonus from this website. You just need to click on come here and claim. Click on claim. Now you can see you have claimed 0.0025 USDT, 5 expression and 1 energy from this claim right now. And we have other option that is manual faucet. You just need to come here and you can see you have to click all these attributes links very carefully in this way. So Oz and Ozo and click on I am a human. You just need to fill up this captcha and click on collect your reward from here. You can see how much easily you can earn from here. Now I will complete this task only in front of you. Now I will show you only things how much you can see here how much I get from this method. You can come here after every hour and get more and more. You can claim 10 only in 1 day from faucet claims. We have other option that is PTC ads. You can see how much you can earn from this PTC ads. If you can stay here 30 seconds only, you can earn up to 0.002 USDT, and if you can stay here only 20 seconds, you can earn up to 0.001 USDT. By these methods, you can earn more and more from this website. And short links is also available. You can check here. You can earn up to 0.005 USDT and 10 energy from this claim short links, and you can earn up to we have 56 short links and you can earn up to 0.1 USDT from these short links, and also you can get energy of 560 from this website. Dice is also available. And you can see you can make dice. You are ready to roll. Now you can roll and earn more and more from this method. Now weekly contest is also available. You can earn up to $50 from referral contest from this website. And if you scroll down, you can see you can earn up to 5 in the leaderboard short link contest, and in contest faucet contest you can earn up to $500, and in overall contest you can also earn up to 5 USDT from this method. Hopefully you like it, you love it, and by calculating all these amount and earning, you can see you can earn up to 100 USDT from this website. You can take withdraw in BTC also and USDT also. Now hopefully you like it, you love it, and if you want to get this type of video, and withdrawal method is also very useful. Here you need to put your wallet address and click on I am not a robot and click on withdraw. You can take withdraw very easily. Minimum withdrawal amount is only 1 token you can take withdraw from this website. It's mean you can take withdraw from here on daily basis very easily and freely.